goal with this activity is to work on your squat strength. I like this move for anyone who has a hard time breaking parallel in the squat, or if you got a loss of hip internal rotation based measures. If it sounds like someone you're working with, this move's for you. Here's what you're gonna do. Get a ramp or something to elevate your heels and grab yourself a kettlebell. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna set up for a goblet squat. You want the kettlebell out in front of you about chest height. Lean your whole body back, tuck your hips, take a breath of air in, lower about halfway, exhale, hold for about a 5 count, breathe in again, exhale, push up. You're gonna do that for reps, whatever is prescribed. Inhale, down, exhale, hold for about a 5 count, inhale again, exhale, come up. It's gonna look like this. So shift body back, tuck. There's my exhale. Tuck. Inhale down. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.